everyone, welcome to my channel Colors of Life with Fakiha. So as you guys see, I have a package in front of me which I got today from MAC Cosmetics. In this box I have a holiday gift set 2022 from MAC. So let's open the box and see which gift set is that. Nice packaging. Here it is, MAC Cosmetics, a cocktail of bestseller kit. This is a 5-piece holiday exclusive kit featuring full-sized product for eyes, lips and face, as they mention it on their website as well. Now you must be thinking why I bought two of them. So the reason is one for me and one for my sister. And seriously, this product is worth buying. You get all full-sized product for only $49. Exclusive text. With that, I got one Studio Fix powder plus foundation. This is sample size. I really like samples because of their, tiny look. I am, more excited for the samples rather than the actual product. With this, I have one lipstick case. It has also MAC written on it. Now move on to the actual product. Like I said earlier that I bought two same products. So I'm going to open only one in front of you because they both have same things. Very nicely wrapped. This is MAC Prep and Prime. Full size bottle. That's actual price is almost $31. Another thing I have is Strobe Cream. Individual price almost $36, and this is MACStack Mascara. Actual price $16 almost. It has one eyeshadow, and one full-size lipstick. Very nice, like it's almost kind of nude color, taupe color. Now I'm gonna show you texture of this Strobe Cream. I already used it before. I use it with foundation or sometimes without foundation. It really gives a nice sheen to your face. Very smooth texture and very subtle sheen. It makes your skin like smooth. And this one is expensive pink eyeshadow. Dull copper kind of color. Very light. You can wear it like on everyday basis. And the best part is it's crease free. Now the last product, lipstick. This one is in taupe color. And I don't think so I have to say anything for the MAC lipsticks because they are so popular and everyone likes it. This is a kind of cinnamon color, very casual kind of color. You can use it on everyday basis. And this is, like I said, a actual size product, full size one. Here I want to show you the quantity. You can compare it. In the end, I just want to say buy this kit if you get a chance because it is worth buying. This product is still available on their website. I am also sharing link in my description. Here is the end of the video. If you like this video and if it is helpful, please let me know in the comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.